look at what's there around the corner from them, there's a search and rescue booth. So go over and talk to those folks. They're the ones that keep us all safe on the water. And they're all volunteers. And that's important to recognize. So go over there and say hi to them and thank them for volunteering for this important task in the harbor.
Stop, we got lots of time. Come on, let's go. Come on now. Followed by number 1. This is going to be the third one if he hustles. Number 3, pump it up. We're almost there. Here we go. Number 3. Towards the cross line. Sent the Coast Guard out for our sinking boat. No, here they come. They're still afloat, barely.
They need speed. Oh, I'm sitting on top now. Be better than nothing. Yeah. Yeah, they got a big
All they have to take with them all the way around the race park.
And then they got a harpoon.
I know, it's great.
That looks like a spear in front of it.
It does. It probably is.
Yeah.
Funny.
Coming up, number 8. Christine Allen, we now have number 12. We have a couple more boats coming down. I think this must be a clutch match. Going away now. Followed by number 12. Looks like it's going to be fourth place.
places with